the critically acclaimed and blockbuster director, Direk Daryl Yap. Now we would like to call on the young members of our cast, alright? Beginning with Stanley Abulok, who plays young Bordy. Next up, we have Phoebe Villamor as the young Amy Marcos and Ray Bernardino as the young Bongbong Marcos. Let us all welcome the young Ferdinand Marcos Sr., played by Marco Gumabaw. Next up, tawagin na po natin si Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, played by Diego Loizaga. Next up, let us all welcome Miss Christine Reyes as Amy Marcos. Marcos, please welcome Rufa Gutierrez. Now to complete the Marcos family, playing Ferdinand Marcos Sr., let's all welcome Cesar Montano. Director Direk Daryl Yap.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang pagdating sa unang gabi ng Martyr or Murderer. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta. And I just got the great news that on March 1, we'll be opening in 250 cinemas. So I'm very happy with that. Magandang gabi po.
Alright, thank you so much. And right now, Frankie Russell joins us as Claudia Bermudez. And of course, last but not least, let us call a warm round of applause, please, for Senator Amy Marcos. few words po, Senator.
Yes, thank you very much for joining us this evening. This evening when I am very, very nervous. Dahil kasi po, biruan lamang yung unang sine, yung Made in Malacanang, pumatok ngayon. Kinakailangan pagandahin namin, pagigihan natin, at ikwento namin ng mabuti ang karugtong ng Made in Malacanang. I hope you enjoy this movie. Ito medyo malungkot na bahagi ng aking buhay, subalit ginampalan ng maganda at nakakatuwa ng ating mga artista. Mabuhay si Direk Daryl at ang buong pangkat ng Martyr or Murderer.
Yes, thank you very